20 cents away from a 7-hour trade, instead half-hour trade. That is a bummer. How the heck did I get this entry? Because on the level 2, it showed a big person sitting on the bid after the move down, and whether or not you are green or red for the day or the week, you are on the right path to becoming a successful trader if you do that each and every day. Each and every day. Hey traders, this is William and I want to share with you my 2 stocks I traded today, NVAX and NIO. And on NVAX, I was so confident that this was going to be a good trade, and I was 20 cents away from the 7R winners up 6R, and I let it go back to my stop for a half-R stop out. I know a lot of you don't like that managing style, but it is fine for me. Then on NIO, you can see I got this killer entry at the very bottom of the move for a 7R winner between the 3 exits. Absolutely fantastic. So let's get into these 2 trades and show you what happened first on NVAX. Let's start with NVAX. Okay, NVAX, we all know the coronavirus stock. Move up, pull back, little bit of a bounce up, can't make it back up, pull back even lower, breaking this pivot. Okay, so we have that move that's now in a little bit of a micro downtrend on the daily. We have this consolidation. The last 2 days, gap down, move down, gap down. I was thinking, this was my idea, daily chart traders will use this high volume wick as a stop out point, and if it can start to test that and break through it, it's going to have a flush of daily chart traders selling the stock. Combine that with SPY is in an uptrend and NVAX is in a downtrend on the lower on the daily chart right now, breaking through pivots. I like this for a short idea. Let's go to the 60-minute chart. You can see the 60-minute chart, nice downtrend. After consolidation, makes a clean move down, gap down, starting to break down, big candle. That's what I had in my bag. Okay, 15-minute chart, same thing, breaking under pre-market lows on these levels, then starting to test this, go down. I saw all this, I loved it. Okay, let's go to the 1-minute chart now, because now we have the 1-minute chart and we had this candle breaking through the pre-market lows, coming back up, rocket booster, could not break the new 1-minute high, and then it broke a 1-minute low. I entered in right there on that 1-minute low because I was so short biased, and it's under VWAP, it's under the 50, it's under the 9 and 20, it's under the 200, and I get stopped out to the penny. It doesn't even look like I should have got stopped out from the chart, but I did. But I realized my idea is still completely valid. So when it doesn't hold above VWAP and I'm still short biased, get back in at the close of this candle, put my stop right back up at the same level. Instantly makes a move down. Absolutely love it. Now let's go to the 2-minute chart. So you can see I'm under everything. I get in the second time with my stop here, pulls back down. I see this. So actually we should go back to the 1-minute chart because that's what I was using on this. I saw this downtrend, pull back up, makes a new 1-minute low. So I enter in here for a reverse A, B, C, D pattern to break through, and it broke, and I was up 4.5 R on that trade. Okay, so then I saw A, B, C, and I'm still short biased. I'm just riding the waves, understanding pullbacks. So I enter in again right here. Let me actually make that closer for you. I enter again right here because again it's under VWAP, under all the moving averages, and put my stop here. So each time I'm adding in, reducing my stop, adding in, reducing my stop. And now because I've done that, this level here at 98.04, it's only a half-R loser. I've got a half-R loser with 3 entries of a full R. So I am loving this idea. Actually, let's just stick to the 1-minute chart so you can see what happened. My target was 94.80 for a 7R trade. It gets about 20 cents away from the target, doesn't fill me. I'm doing all or nothing, ignoring it, goes back out to stop me out. 20 cents away from a 7R trade, instead half-R trade. That is a bummer. That never feels good. That's my management style. I understand some people want to get out of break even or lock in R's. I just do all or nothing a lot of time on these stocks. no problem, move on to the next trade. That's sometimes hard to do, but you just gotta accept it. No problem, move on to the next trade. I did everything right. I love this idea. Move on to the next trade. NIO. Now this was awesome. Look at this. This is the increased volume, kind of like the NVAX trade, but this is completely extended. Very, very extended. Wide range bar, wide range bar. How the heck did I get this entry? Because on the level 2, it showed a big person sitting on the bid after the move down at around 1910 or so. I got filled at 1907, stop at 19, never broke 19, 7-cent stop, 2,000 shares right there. So fantastic. I got out 75% after this move up to the 50 range, then got out about 12.5%, was holding to the move back up to view app, couldn't make it back. So then got my final exit right here. But this is the lesson for today. Just find your setups, move on. Do whatever management style you have. Find your setups, move on. Entry, exit, target, repeat, repeat, repeat. Have multiple setups so you can look for multiple things. Accept your losers. Let your winners run. And that's what I did. I accept my loser. I tried to let my winner run. I did that on NVAX and I did that on NIO. Even though I got out very, very early, it's because I had a 7-cent stop on 2,000 shares and I got about 50 cents on that, more like 40 cents. So I was very happy. I hit that move. Let 25% more run. It was going to let 25% more run or 15% more run. It didn't work out. But again, have your plan, execute your setups, keep your losers small, let your winners run, don't revenge trade, don't get emotional when you're wrong, accept that it's probabilities. Do all these things, and whether or not you are green or red for the day or the week, you are on the right path to becoming a successful trader if you do that each and every day. Each and every day. All right, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions about this, ask below. Have a good one.